That's Lucena Content Creators, and we had a get-together here sa Banahaw Scooby. As you can see, tag-ulan na, pero let's go at gumala! Hi guys, so ako nga pala si Kate, your food and travel enthusiast. We're here at Banahaw Scooby, and look, may akitin ko yun. I'm still conquering my fear. Try natin na lakadin papunta. So look. Pinakamahan talaga ako, pero alam ko naman na safe. Mahirap siyang pagsabayin. Ang paggapang. Sakit pag nakatuhod. It's really nice, pero like masakit. And hindi naman pala siya gano'n nakakatakot. Tada! How do you go back from me? Hi! So we're here at Banahaw Scooby and we're climbing the lubid early in the morning, tapang-tapangan. Kala mo naman. Ay, dito, you can go down here.
Hindi ma'am, huwag ka shortcut.
So guys, we're half the lubid.
Hindi pa ma'am, ayun pa oh. Sobrang layo pa. Yan ma'am, maganda dyan.
How to slide sa lubid? I'm a bit takot. Pero rest assured na I know na computed nung tao yung dami ng lubid, kaya ako. Sigurado ako doon.
Oops! Ang ganda.
You should go there.
Wait lang ma'am, picture muna, picture.
I'm so pawis. Aside sa chinets, which I recently just called lubid, they also have top. Ang ganda. Meron din silang dalawang pools na 3 to 5 feet ang lalim na mag-e-enjoy ka. Well, normal na may showers tuwing hapon and mga kuliglig lang yung makikinig mo. It's a commune with nature talaga. This is a 2-bedroom resort na kayang i-house kahit 10. May balcony, living area, chinets, and syempre may in-house video care at may kitchen din. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Contact our Facebook page at mag-book na. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, cause that will be all.